Alright guys, I just got a call from a local shrimp boat captain, and he got a net tangled up in his wheel, so we're getting the scuba gear out. We're going to go try to help him out and get the net cut out of the wheel. Stay tuned.
Yeah, but don't you be thinking that I'm going to be calling you sir.
No, sir.
You had a little accident, didn't you?
Yeah.
We got the net tangled up in the wheel, so we're getting the scuba gear out. This ain't no photography adventure. This is a scuba diving, well, we'll just call it videography underwater adventure. Stay tuned.
I didn't see it. I done it. I looked at it, cleaned it all out. There ain't nothing else in it. You want me to go back over and look at it one more time?
You didn't see it on the blade, did you?
Yeah, I didn't. So the net was rolled around. I took the shaft, cut it, cleaned it, looked all around. I didn't see no more net. All right. Beautiful. Look where the plan works out.
But as you guys seen, we got the net out, didn't we?
Yeah, you got it.
We got it. Loading up scuba gear, going home. Got to go to work.